Hi, it's me, Blib and friends here today, and me and Hugger are going to a living rainforest. Frogs. So these are the blue poison dart frogs. They're cool, they're jumping around. So they're blue to warn their enemies that they're poisonous. The yellow-knobbed Crato is watching the armadillo. Armadillo, do you feel like somebody is watching you? Because they are. I think I made a new friend. He keeps on jumping out the glass at me. Look. Still. So this is Edwin the toucan. Birds. So here's me waving at one of the really big birds, I think the biggest. And here he or she here is again. I think these two birds were friends. I think they might be a type of pigeon. So here's walking about. The living rainforest. Hey, why is Hugger there? Bye everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe.